everyone. So basically from today we are going to cover one word substitution, which is very helpful for the SSC examination. So we will cover 50-50 per day, 50-50 words for the substitution per day. So without wasting time, let's start it. First one is infallible. It means that never fails, always doing what it is supposed to do. Misogynist, a person who dislikes women. Philanthropist, a rich person who helps the poor and those in need, especially by giving money. Misanthrope, a person who hates and avoids other people. Bureaucracy, a system of a government in which there are large number of state officials who are not elected. Cannibal, a person who eat women flesh. Claustrophobia, an extreme fear of being in a small and confined place. Claustrophobia. Egoist, a person who think she is better than other people and who think and talk too much about himself or herself. Elegy, a poem songs that express the sadness somebody who had died. Epilogue, epilogue, sorry for the pronunciation, but it's epilogue, a speech at the end of a play, book, or a film movie that comment on or act as a conclusion to what has happened. Epitaph, an inscription on the tombstone. Fastidious, being careful that every detail is correct, not liking things to be dirty, untidy. Inevitable, that you cannot avoid or prevent. Oligarchy, a form of a government in which only small group of people hold all the power. Kulin, Kulintantra, optimist, a person who always accepts good things to happen or things to be successful. Panacea, something that will solve all problem of a particular situation, जिसको बोलते हैं रामबाण. Panacea. Altruist, someone who make charitable donation intended to increase human welfare. Altruist. Aristocracy, the rule by noble government by person of a highest social order. Atheist, a person who believes that God does not exist. Calligraphy, beautiful handwriting that you do with a special pen or brush. Connoisseur, an expert on a matter involving the judgment, beauty, quality, or skill in the art, food, or music. It's विशेषज्ञ. Fatalist, a person who believes that events are decided by a fate and cannot be controlled. भाग्यवादी. Invincible, too strong to be defeated. अजय, जिसे हराया ना जा सके. Mercenary, a fight for the country group that offer payment. किराए का टट्टू. Mercenary means किराए का टट्टू, a soldier who fight for other country only if they are paying them. Ascetic, a person who lives in a simple and strict way without physical pleasure, especially for the religious reason. Monk, hermit, saint. Tapasvi, ascetic means tapasvi. Carnivore, animals that eat meat. Cartography, the art of process of drawing or making maps. So don't get confused between cartography and calligraphy. Calligraphy means what? Calligraphy is a beautiful handwriting that you do with a special pen. But cartography is or making maps. Now next one is Etymology. Etymology, the study of origin and the history of a word and their meaning. शब्द व्युत्पत्ति शास्त्र. Homicide, the crime of killing somebody deliberately. मानव हत्या, when you are killing someone deliberately, it means that it is homicide. Iconoclast. Iconoclast, a person who criticizes popular belief, establish custom and idea. रिवाज तोड़ने वाला. Suppose that if someone is doing intercaste marriages on against their family, then it means that that person is what? Iconoclast. रिवाज. Illegible, difficult, impossible to read. Illegible, अस्पष्ट. Incorrigible, having bad habit which cannot be changed or improved. असंशोधनीय. Incorrigible, incorrigible. Insomnia, the condition of being unable to sleep. Anidra, it's known as insomnia. Insomnia is a problem in which person unable to sleep. Is known as insomnia. Nepotism, giving unfair advantage to your own family if you are in a position of a power, especially by giving them jobs. भाई भतीजावाद. Obsolete, no longer used because something new has been invented. No longer used because something new has been invented. अप्रचलित. Before that we used to study the lantern in our 7 to 8 year before, but now we are using what? We are using LED bulb with the help of inverters. So the thing is that because we have adopted new technology, so that's why we have leave that one, that old technology. So that is what? Obsolete, no longer used because something new has been invented. Patricide, the crime of killing your father, is known as a patricide. Philatist. Philatist, a person who collect, study or stamps. A person who collect or study stamps. डाक के टिकट का संग्रहक. फिलेटिस्ट मतलब वो आदमी जो स्टम्प को कलेक्ट करे और उसको पढ़े, उसके बारे में जाने, उसको बोलते हैं फिलेटलिस्ट. फिलेटलिस्ट, प्रोनाउंसिएशन शुड बी क्लियर. फिलेटलिस्ट. Stoics. Stoic. Stoic. Stoic, a person who is able to suffer pain, trouble without complaining, showing what they are feeling. So today's children are stoic, क्योंकि अगर आपको कोई कष्ट हो रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है और आप उससे अपने घर में शेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दैट व्हाट? यू आर stoic person. A person who is able to suffer pain, trouble without complaining, without telling. Alien means hostile, strange and frightening. विदेशी आदमी. Amateur. Amateur, a person who likes to take part in a sport, other activity for enjoyment, not as a job. शौकीन व्यक्ति. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कूल्स में हम लोग काफ़ी स्पोर्ट्स में इन्वॉल्व होते थे, लेकिन हमको स्पोर्टर बनना नहीं था, हम लोग मज़े के लिए खेलते थे. सो एट दैट टाइम वी आर व्हाट? एमेच्योर. एमेच्योर. Amnesia, a medical condition in which somebody partially completely loses his memory. भूलने की बीमारी को बोलते हैं amnesia. जब कोई इंसान कोई चीज़ भूलने लगी, it means that he is suffering from amnesia. Anarchy, a situation in a country and organization etc which there is no government order or control. अराजकता मतलब जब कानून का पालन सही से नहीं होता है, तब जो अकानूनी तरीके से काम होती है उसको बोलते हैं अराजकता. जब कोई गवर्नमेंट ना हो या कोई पावर ना हो कंट्रोल करने के लिए. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन रेस स्पेशली ऑफ इट्स ओरिजिन, डेवलपमेंट, कस्टम एंड बिलीफ. मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज ए स्टडी in which we study about human race, especially origin, कैसे उत्पत्ति हुई, कैसे पैदा हुआ, क्या डेवलपमेंट हुआ। आर्चिव्स, a collection of historical document, record of a government, family, place or an organization is known as the archives. वो कलेक्शन इज ऐतिहासिक डॉक्यूमेंट या गवर्नमेंट का कोई सामान लिखित में अभिलेख। क्रेडिबल, दैट कैन बी बिलीव और ट्रस्टेड। क्रेडिबल मीन्स समथिंग विच इज बिलीव्ड और ट्रस्टेड, जिस पर विश्वास किया जा सके, विश्वसनीय चीज़ें। एफिमिनेट, लुकिंग, बिहेविंग, साउंडिंग लाइक अ वीमेन और अ गर्ल। नारी जैसा, जब भी कोई इंसान नारी जैसा बनने का प्रयत्न करे तो उसको आप एफिमिनेट शब्द से संबोधित कर सकते हैं। दैट यू आर बिहेविंग लाइक अ एफिमिनेट, you are effeminate, it means that you are behaving like girls or women. Feminist, a person who support the belief that women should have the same rights and opportunity as men. Narivadi. Genocide, the murder of a whole race or a group of a people. नरसंहार, जब किसी एक कम्युनिटी, किसी एक ग्रुप के आदमियों को जान से मार दिया जाता है या मर्डर कर दिया जाता है, देन इट्स नोन एज अ जीनोसाइड। गुलिबल, ईजिली ट्रिक्ड बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग टू ट्रस्टिंग, आसानी से धोखा खाने वाला। गुलिबल मीन्स ईजिली ट्रिक्ड बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग टू ट्रस्टिंग, किसी पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा भरोसा कर रहे हैं और अचानक से आपको आपका काट के चला जाए। इट मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज व्हाट, गुलिबल, easily tricked because of being too trusting. Suppose if you have any new friend and you have strong trust on him, strong belief on him, but unfortunately if he has just cheated with you, so that person is what, gullible, आपके जो कि विश्वास का फ़ायदा उठाया गया यहाँ पे। होनोरेरियम, a payment made for somebody professional service, a fee paid for the normally free service. मानदेय, honorarium means a payment made for somebody professional service, a fee paid for normally free service. फ्री सर्विस के लिए जो फी पेड की जाती है, पेमेंट मेड फॉर समबडी प्रोफेशनल सर्विस, ठीक है, अ फी पेड फॉर द नॉर्मली फ्री सर्विस। किसी प्रोफेशनल सर्विस के लिए जब आप पैसा देते हैं या पेमेंट करते हैं, इट्स known as a the pronunciation is honorarium. Honorarium means you are paying money for some